Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you a rock hound and you want your rocks to look as beautiful as possible? That's exactly what will happen if you use the C1 Pro Max Brushless Rock Tumbler Kit by KoolStone. It comes with everything you need to get started. So super cool. The one on the left did not go through the tumbler. So it has some red in it, and when it's wet, it's beautiful, but when it dries, not so much. These two have been through the tumbler, and if you notice, the red on these is so much brighter and you can see the stripes. So it really does make a huge difference in your rocks. It is so exciting after each step to pull them out and see the progress they have made. First, it just kind of rounds them and then it makes them smoother and smoother, and you notice the colors. So, this is a long process. It took me about a month to do these. So, each step takes 4 to 8 days usually. They have done an excellent job making this quiet, but it is running 24/7. So, I would highly recommend putting this in a garage or a shed while it's running. As you can see, they come with little pieces of jewelry you can make. So, I was able to make a cute necklace and keychain with my favorites. If you're wanting to take your rock hounding to the next level, you need this rock tumbler, and then you will have these gorgeous rocks to display and show off to your friends. But that's just my point of view.